Good morning, dear children. Dear children, this is your EVS class. Okay. Now, I am going to explain you about new chapter of EVS, and the name of the chapter is The World of Plants. Before that, dear children, today's date is 24th of September 2020 and the day is Thursday. Dear children, you see many plants are around us. Yes or no? The plants are very big, small, very small plants are also there. Dear children, plants play very important roles in our life. Yes or no? Plants gives us many things. Many things means what? Morning to night means food, clothes, rubber, pencil, paper, bag, clothes and vegetables, fruits, fragrance also. Yes or no? Many things plants gives us, and it gives us fresh air. Plants gives us water. Water means what? Rain. Plants gives us rain. So dear children, I request you grow more plants and trees. Okay. Every birthday, what? On your every birthday आपने क्या करना है? एक छोटा सा प्लांट लगाना है, वो चाहे मंदिर में हो या फिर ग्राउंड में हो. Now dear children, we have many parts. Yes or no? We have many parts. For example, what? Head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, stomach, hands. Like this, plants also many parts. It has many parts. Like, see, this is a plant, and plants has many parts. Dear children, it has root, stem, leaf, flower, bud, fruits, many parts. And dear children, it has different name. Yes or no? इसको अलग अलग नाम होते हैं and different functions also. वे क्या करते हैं? इनको different फंक्शन, जैसे हम अपने हाथों से क्या करते हैं? हम लिखते हैं, खाते हैं, पीते हैं, खेलते हैं, वैसे ही इनको भी अलग अलग जो पार्ट्स है उनको अलग अलग रोल दिया गया है. उनके अलग अलग रोल रहते हैं, उनके काम रहते हैं, तो दे play their roles very perfectly. Dear children, I already tell you many plants are around us. Trees and plants are different. Now dear children, some plants are big and strong, such as are called trees. Now this is a big plant, and big plants are very big, tall and strong, and they are called what? Trees. They have a thick brown and woody stem called trunk. See, this is a trunk. They have many branches that bear leaves, flowers and fruits. They have thick and strong roots. Trees lives for many years. Trees बहुत साल जीते हैं. The example of trees are neem tree, peepal tree, mango tree, banyan tree and etc. Dear children, this is a small plant. See, and this is hibiscus. Okay, small plants are smaller than trees. जो trees होते हैं, big trees होते हैं, उससे क्या होते हैं? ये प्लांट स्मॉल होते हैं. They have many thin brown, woody, green and soft stem. Some live only for few years and some only for 3 or 4 years. And some only for 3 or 4 months. For example, rose, hibiscus, mint and coriander. Dear children, these are climbers, okay? And climbers cannot stand on their own. They need always support. Okay, dear children? See, this is a money plant, and money plant needs always support to stand. See, this is a money plant. Can you see? And this is a support of money plant. Okay. So money plant always need to stand, and it cannot stand of its own. Children, some plants grow along the ground. Such plants are called creepers. See, this is a watermelon, and watermelon is a example of creepers. Okay. See, this is also a what? Creeper, and this is a watermelon plant. Children, see, these are the parts of root. Now look here, this is what? The plant root. Now the part of a plant that fixes the plant to the ground and takes water and other things needed by the plant. Dear children, see, now look here, this is what? This is a stem. The part of the plant that carries food. ये जो स्टेम होती है वो पूरे प्लांट को क्या सप्लाई करती है? फूड, खाना, and water to all parts of the plants. Now dear children, look here, these are the leaf. These are the leaves. Okay. And what is the function of leaf? The part of a plant that makes food. फूड कौन बनाता है? खाना कौन बनाता है? आपकी मम्मी आपके लिए खाना बनाती है, बट प्लांट के लिए कौन फूड बनाता है? लीफ. सो लीव्स मेक्स फूड फॉर द प्लांट्स. नाउ डियर चिल्ड्रन, लुक हियर. सो दिस इज अ फ्लावर. Flower, the part of a plant that changes into fruit. Flower, what? What is the function of flower? The flower changes into fruits. Now dear children, look here. I am going to show you. Dear children, these are the fruits of this plant. Fruits are very different, yes or no? But this is also a fruits of this plant. Dear children, look here. These are the seeds. These are the seeds. And what? Seed has a baby plant inside it. So there are different kinds of seed. And a seed has a baby plant. See, this is a what? These are the baby plants. Look dear children. ये seeds में से क्या निकला है? देखो, baby plant. दिख रहे ना आपको? ये जो अंकुर निकले हैं उसे कहते हैं बेबी प्लांट. एंड सीड हैज अ बेबी प्लांट इनसाइड इट. अ प्लांट्स नीड एंड व्हाट? दिस इज अ प्लांट. सो अ प्लांट नीड्स लाइट, एयर एंड वाटर टू ग्रो. इट आल्सो नीड्स सॉइल, यूजफुल थिंग्स दैट प्लांट्स टेक फ्रॉम द सॉइल फॉर ग्रोथ आर कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. नाउ डियर चिल्ड्रन, look. So this is a what? This is a seed, and this is a what? Baby plant. And new plants grow from seeds. Dear children, today what we learn about the lesson, the world of plants, and the main what? The main points of this lessons are plants can be big or small. Yes or no? Root, stem, leaf and flowers are the parts of plant. The root fixes the plant to the ground and takes in water and other things needed by the plant. The stem of a plant takes food and water to all parts of plant. The leaf makes food for the plant. A plant needs light, air, water and nutrients from the soil. From the soil to what? To grow. Dear children, thank you. Bye.